Welcome to RCM Level 4 Playback Videos. This is example review test number 2. This example is in F major. Go ahead and play an F major triad along with me. This example is in a 2/4 time signature. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, ready, go! Go ahead and play that back. For the answer, turn to page 48 of RCM's Level 4 4-star Sight Reading and Ear Test book. Thank you.